Okay, now it's time to create the dynamic route. In the previous video, we have created nested routes. So create dynamic routes. You have to keep in mind that you have to, as it is a file-based routing, you have to keep your folder inside source and app. If you don't use app, it must be inside source. Let's check whether it is recording. Yes, it's recording. So app. Okay, so inside app, create a products space. Okay. Nested routes products. Okay, so inside that, according to the convention, create page.tsx. So inside page.tsx, so create a page, and it should be product list, products list. Okay, inside return, I'm saying it's product list, products list, and inside UL, what do we need? We need products. Before map through, we need to have write some products. Okay, const products and first of all we need id title product 1 description this is product on this is product on price content. Okay, we need 3 or 4 and it is product 2, it is product 2 and its price should be 200. This is product 3 300. Okay. Okay, products dot map, and we will get individual product arrow function, and inside li we need to give the key, otherwise it will give error, and it will be product id and p, and it should be product dot title. So I hope we will get it. Yeah, we are getting product 1, product 2, product 3. Okay, so I am giving it a link component, link. So it must have the link component, and we should wrap these things link, and link should come from next link, and we should give href, and it will go dynamically to the products, then product dot id. Okay, okay, so we are getting, you see, product 2. We have no page, so no problem, we're creating the page. So we are getting product 1. Dynamically we are getting product 3, though we have no page. Now create the page. Okay, so dynamically create the page. Okay, so this is dynamic routing. So inside products, create id. You can give any name, no problem. And inside id, create page.tsx. Page.tsx. Okay, so inside page.tsx, create a bare minimum page and give it a name. Product detail. This is for single product. Okay, so let's go. This is single product. Yeah, we are getting single product. Okay, so now make it dynamically. Okay, so no need at all, and we are bring the products over here. From here, these products will be needed. We'll find it. Excuse me. So first of all, we want to create this one, all products, and we are giving a link. Link and is ref products. So product, all products. So we can navigate in between all products and products. Okay, okay, no problem. Now we need to find out params. Okay, so const params, it will come from use params. Use params. Okay, so use params will come from next routes. Okay, so we need id. So you can console log what you get inside console log. It is giving some error, so let's see what's the error. We need to use client. It's giving use param. You are importing that needs use param. This is hook only client components. So by default, every component server component, as we are using use param, so we need to declare it as use client. Okay, so use client. Okay, problem is solved, and let's see what we are getting. You see, if you click product 3 in params, we get product 3. If you click product 2, you're getting product 2. If you click product 1, we are getting product. So your params is working just fine. And next navigation. Okay, so no, we need not this. So const, we need product. So product will come from products dot find we'll get individual product. It is products, not product. And here we need product ID, product.id. It should match with this ID. And we need ID, const ID equal to params. Okay, so it should match with this ID. Okay, so let's see what we are getting. So pre JSON stringify product. So inside product, what we are getting, let's check. Yeah, we are getting product on. So if we go, we will get product 3. Okay, so it's working just fine. Boom. So inside product we have the individual products and it's coming dynamically. Okay, we don't write product 1, product 2, product 3, not like that. By this convention ID, it's coming dynamically. You may have hundred of products, no worries, it will come dynamically. So if you increase more, it will come dynamically. So 4 4 4 400 5 5 5 500 6 6 6 600 7 7 7 700. So I am adjusting it over here also. Product. So let's check. Yeah, we have 7 products. This is number 7. This is number 6. It's working. You see, this is number 6. This is number 6. It's not merging with another product. 4 4 1 1. So it's working. 7 7. So everything is working perfectly. So now what we need inside product, we don't need JSON stringify. So JSON, what we need, product title. Okay, product dot title product description and price product price. Okay, so let's check. Yeah, we are getting everything. If we click product 7, we are getting the details of individual detail of product. It's coming dynamically. We just create just one file, okay, ID, and by this it's coming dynamically. Okay, product 1, product 1. So it's not merging or conflicting with another product. So we are getting the relevant product which we are clicking. 6 6 6 6 2 2 5 5. So this is dynamic route. We are showing products dynamically. So in the next tutorial, we will create app router, basic app router. I will show you. So if you like the video, if you think that it's helpful, and we are going to create a exciting project at the end of this course. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you very much. See you soon.